Hello peeps. Welcome to Nothing But Updates. I'm getting bored of speaking about things which are developed by China. But still they make me speak about them each day. Hope they are very fastly moving too far from all other competitors. Today we will be putting forth the new weather modification idea by China. You might ask me if this is really possible. Yes, says China. They are planning to develop a powerful weather modification system by 2025. They have planned to cover 5.5 million kilometers with artificial rain. China will have a developed weather modification system by 2025, said the China State Council. They added that the weather modification will be advanced in terms of operation, technology, and services by 2035. This is not the first time China toys with weather modification. In the 2008 Beijing Olympics, the country used cloud seeding to reduce rainfall during the open ceremony. The goal was to have the event take place in as pleasant weather as possible. The fact is, it aimed to cover area 22 times bigger than Britain by injecting clouds with chemicals. Weather control has been experimented with for decades but never been rolled out on a scale as proposed by China. So keeping this in mind, let's have a check at this very frequently for any further news. Thank you. Quick look. The next 4 to 5 months, however, will be grim. These words are said by the multi-billionaire Bill Gates. Yes, he has given these words in an interview. The next 4 or 5 months actually look pretty grim, unless we can really double down on our behavior, Gates explained. Hope you are safe and healthy. Stay safe. Cheers.